We're here today going over the installation of the Goodman A2L mitigation system, aka the DragonFly, for their R32 equipment. This mitigation kit is required when you are installing an R32 system, air conditioner, and coil with a non R32 or A2L compatible indoor piece of equipment. So the wiring is very simple on the DragonFly. Your sensor, refrigerant sensor, will actually be mounted inside of the coil from the factory. This is just for display purposes only. There's a grommet in the door of the coil, so you can run the sensor cable out and plug into the mitigation control. All right, so there's a spot for your sensor to plug into the mitigation control. Wiring on the DragonFly is very simple. Over on the green side here, we have our furnace connections. These will go directly to the furnace. We have to have the power R and C, W1, G, and Y1, and those will just run down and tie into the furnace control board down here. After that, on the black terminal strip, we've got our thermostat wiring and our condenser wiring. Okay, all industry standard wiring. So we've got our R, our C for our condenser, W1, G, and then Y1. All right, part 2 of this video will go over the test procedure on the mitigation kit, but that is pretty much the standard wiring. What the DragonFly kit will do when there's a leak detected is it will actually drop the 24 volt signal to R, the thermostat, which will also drop the 24 volt signal to the condenser as well, and then force the blower on during leak detection and mitigation. All right, part 2, we'll go over how to perform the DragonFly test.